the ticket. If I can get to the ticket.
Keep left.
Oh yeah, they got the new tickets installed here now. Woo. Yeah. See the building? Yeah, that used to be one of the Turnpike restaurants. Slow it down a little bit. We got off at Fort Littleton, honey. That's different.
Family on vacation at the abandoned Turnpike. It's the abandoned Turnpike station. See how much is left?
Here is the Cove Valley rest stop. This is the parking area. That's where you enter the parking area. And where those trees are at used to be where the Cove Valley rest stop building was built, along with the gas pumps. Okay, here's where the gas pumps used to sit. Pretty sure this is where the gas pumps used to sit. This will be the island. Look, it's nice and round at the end here. Probably, of course, where there was a concrete barrier around. And the pumps would sit right here. And there's the service plaza where all these trees are growing.
We're about to go to the first abandoned tunnel. It's about 1,000 yards away. Nope. How do you like them angry birds?
How did he? One is terrorist. How did he go? You know, at least a good couple hundred feet ahead of us.
I want to know what that light is.
I know.
Some people are chickens. They just all blurred out and went under the light.
Yeah.
And that's them way out there, and if I go zoom all the way out, it actually autofocuses to the brightness outside.
Yep.
And now I can see them. Alright guys, we will talk to you when we get back on the road.
Funny. People do. I got it. Jesse's peeing!
Alright guys, this is the abandoned Turnpike. Jesse and Matthew.
What's funny is this already looks like the Rust World. Half the steps are gone, aren't they? Here, shine the light on the steps, what's left of them. Nothing. You know what, I wouldn't doubt the Turnpike Commission cut them out, because people going up here.
But those steps are totally whole.
Well, they just figure you can't get from here to there. Shine the light down here a minute. I'm getting video now. Sorry, Matthew. Huh?
The reason why I chose to come back was because
Matthew, I wouldn't even come up. This is a narrow walkway. It's as wide as I am. Yeah, I don't think if I dropped, I'd be going to the doctor's.
No, you'd probably be dead.
You guys look like ants from up here.
Matthew, I'm not being literal. There's the sheets over there, Chris. Sure, I want to go straight. Am I in the right lane for that or not?
It's straight in turning.
Okay, I wasn't sure there for a minute. Okay, good. I thought so. There's a motel, hon.
There's a couple. Oh yeah, that'll be nice and cheap.
Just gotta break into a room and use it.
So I better freeze my butt off.
Yeah, I won't be able to control the heat in that one.
hey, how will we get to the hotel?
We're using the GPS to tell us how to get there. There's that little grocery store. That thing's... well, that's not the grocery store. There it is. That thing's been shut down for a while.
Johnny,
What did he say?
For a stop.
He needs to stop it.
You're only doing it just right now.